Hallo julle, so hierdie video is basies net om weer deur te gaan met julle, sodat julle kan onthou wat ons gepraat het oor in die klas. Is dit reg? Okay. So guys, this video is basically just so that you guys remember what we spoke about during class, about the learning papers and the exams. Dit gaan basies oor die leerpapiere as ook wat julle moet weet vir julle examens. Okay, so the first question is mainly about the office layouts, die kantooruitligte, dis waaroor die eerste vraag gaan. So please, I would like you guys to remember the different office layouts, like for instance the open plan one, the panoramic one, all four of them please. So asseblief, julle moet vir my kan onthou wat die 4 kantooruitligte, byvoorbeeld die oop plan uitlig ensovoorts. Okay. Julle hoef nie byvoorbeeld vir my kan sê wat is die voordeel van daai een of wat is die nadeel van daai een nie. Ek wil graag kan sien dat julle die 4 kan identifiseer. So, by the office furniture, you're going to get multiple choice questions. So, by die kantoortoerusting gaan julle veelvoudige vrae kry. Soos byvoorbeeld, watter tipe tafel bevorder beweging en verminder risiko's wat verband hou met lang sittende posisies? Dan moet julle nou die regte een kies. Is dit byvoorbeeld 'n uitvoerende tafel, 'n staantafel, 'n kubie tafel of 'n skryftafel? Like for instance, which one of the desk promotes movement and reduces the risks associated with prolonged sitting? You can choose now an executive desk, a standing desk, a cubicle desk, a writing desk. Okay, so do you understand? Please make sure when I tell you to underline the question, you underline it properly. If I tell you to circle the letter, then please circle it, okay? So now we are by the importance of keeping the office clean. So nou is ons uiteindelik by die belangrikheid om die kantoor skoon te hou. So onthou julle nog in kwartaal 2 het julle 'n prentjie gekry in die eksamen waar julle moes vir ons wys alles wat was fout in daai kantoor. Julle gaan basies sulke vrae kry in hierdie eksamen ook. Remember mos in term 2, you guys got a picture in your exam where you guys had to circle everything that was wrong in the office? That is basically what you guys are also going to do in this exam as well. So please think logically. Let's say, for instance, the person's walking but the drawer is open. Do you think it's going to be fine for them or do you think their legs are going to get sore? I think hulle bene gaan seer kry. I think their legs are going to get sore if they walk into the drawer. Okay, so please, you will be able to do this one really easily. Okay. And I would like you guys to also think, what would you change in this office? Or what would you change in an office so that it is more organized and no one will get hurt? Okay. Okay, so how to take a telephone message. So, hoe om telefoonboodskappe te neem. Onthou julle nog daai telefoonoproepboekie wat ons nou geteken het in die klas, daai tabel? Do you remember that telephone notepad that we draw in during the class? You're going to expect something like that. I'm not going to ask you to fill it in, but remember the activity that we did in the class? That is also what you're going to do for your exam. So please remember where everything goes in that template, what it is, what is important. Okay. If you do not remember what is in it, think logically. If you are on an important phone call and you have to remember something that the person is telling you, you're going to obviously write down who it is, the date, any notes that you think is important. So if the person says they are fine, that is not important. So you don't have to write that down, do you? No. Okay. So in daai tabelletjie, onthou julle nog die aktiwiteit wat ons gedoen het? Julle gaan dit net so in die eksamen ook doen. So asseblief onthou waar alles lê in daai tabel. As jy nie kan onthou wat alles daarin is nie, dink net gou logies. As jy nou besig is met 'n belangrike oproep, jy wil altyd onthou wie dit was, wanneer dit gebeur het, enige notas wat baie belangrik is vir jou. So byvoorbeeld as die persoon vir jou sê hy is fine, dit is nie belangrik nie. Maar as die persoon sê ek kom donderdag 4 uur na jou toe om jou wifi reg te maak. Dan skryf ons donderdag 4 uur wifi regmaak. Al die belangrike inligting. Okay. So this is now really important for you guys to remember. Die is nou baie belangrik om te onthou. Asseblief vir jou eksamen, jy kort 'n pen, 'n potlood en 'n liniaal. For your exam, you need a pen, a pencil and a ruler. Okay? So please do not come on your exam day and you forgot your pen, your pencil or your ruler, please. Okay? You need your pen to answer the questions. You need your pencil to draw stuff. And you need your ruler to make sure the lines that you're going to draw is straight. Jy kort 'n pen om jou vraestel in te kan vul. Jy kort jou potlood om dit te kan teken die vir die een vraag. En jy kort jou liniaal om goeie te onderstreep en dit ook te teken. As jy enige vrae het, kom vra vir my. Ek sal mooi met dit julle weer deurgaan in die klas. En ek hoop dat julle 'n wonderlike dag het en hierdie eksamen gaan baie maklik wees vir julle. Moet net nie stres nie. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to come and ask me. And remember, we did most of the stuff together in the class. We went through it together. But if you guys struggle with anything or you don't remember anything, please remember you can always come and ask me before your exam, not during your exam, please. Okay. Be safe, have fun. This exam is going to be quite easy for you guys. Okay. Okay. Bye.